it's your girl Celeste Renee and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be discussing the 10-week challenge that starts today. I probably should have recorded this video yesterday, but I uploaded a video yesterday and I didn't want to do 2 videos in a day because I just thought that was a little psychotic. So the 10-week challenge starts today, which is the 31st. It's 31st of March. Woohoo. And it ends on the 6th. It ends on June 2nd. So the week of June 2nd. So I guess I should stop saying it ends on June 2nd because the last weigh is on the, can I get my words out? The last weigh-in is on June 9th. So I wrote up this lovely paper with all the things that I'm going to do for this 10-week challenge to make sure I maximize my goals, and you guys should do the same. If you want to, you don't have to. You don't have to do whatever I say because who am I? No one. But anyways, let's get started. So the 10-week challenge, like I said, starts officially today. If you're watching this video and you're like, girl, what? You can start tomorrow. The first weigh-in isn't until next Sunday, which is, I have my calendar in front of me today. So I'm not going to be all over the place. Hopefully. I probably will, but whatever. The first weigh-in is going to be on the 7th, April 7th. So if you're watching this video, I feel like that sounds weird, right? So the first week starts the 31st, right? So we're starting today, which is Sunday, but our first weigh-in for the first week will be on April 7th. So then April 7th will start our second week and then we'll weigh in. So that's kind of why the dates are a little messed up because the last official weigh-in is on June 9th. Maybe I'm just overthinking it, but anyways guys, we're starting today on the Sunday, March 31st, and we're ending, the first week is March 31st and the last week is June 2nd. So our last week is June 2nd, but our last final weigh-in is June 9th. So yes, however you play that out in your head, do it, but it equals 10 weeks because I've done the math, so don't come for me. No, I'm playing. Okay, anyways, so when I was at work thinking about this 10-week challenge, I was like, Celeste, what can you do to make sure you actually achieve some real goals this time? Because the 6-week challenge was a flop for you, girl. 4.6 pounds is a joke. So this challenge is really important to me because it literally ends the week of my birthday and I'm going on a trip out of the country. So like I have no choice but to be snatched. Like when I get something in my head and I'm like gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. So I'm excited. 10 weeks is like 2 months and a few weeks. So it's enough time for us to, you know, get a little something doing, something good, hopefully. Anyways, okay, so let's get started, even though I said that 3 times. So I did my macros. The app that I used, actually, I didn't use an app. I used a calendar, a website, but I don't even know. Damn, I should have wrote it down. I don't even know. It's a keto macro calculator, I mean. I think it's called Rule Me. I don't know. If I think of it, I'll put it in the description, but I probably won't because I'm probably not going to be able to think of it. But I think it's called Rule Me. Yeah, I think it's called Rule Me. And the thing to do is when you put it in, make sure you put your activity level on 0. Even though I work out every day, I put it on 0 so it gives me like, it's going to give you less calories because it's going to factor in the fact that you don't work out. So if you do work out and you still have it on the less calorie one, I feel like you'll lose weight faster. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a doctor. I ain't none of that. I'm just a girl on YouTube. That's it. So yes, let's get started. So it's suggested that I eat 1,207 calories a day. That is not happening. If y'all watch my videos, y'all already know I don't even like going over 1,000 calories a day. So that, but Dr. Niles on My Systems Power Life, he always tells the people when they're losing weight that they should eat 12,000 calories a day. So maybe that's probably not bad. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, so my carb count, so I can have 15 grams of carbs per day, 60 grams of protein, and 101 grams of fat. Boom, that's it. So I'm gonna stick to that. Definitely gonna stick to that. So yes, that should be exciting. I'm gonna be doing intermittent fasting. I do the I fast for 16 hours and I eat for 8.
Girl, we're going to pop it hours later, girl.
This is my boyfriend Jarvis. He's not participating in the 10-week challenge with us.
Give me a kiss, honey.
He just wants to be in the camera. I haven't even brushed my teeth, so that's really disgusting. Yes, would you like to say anything motivational to the people? We're out here trying to get snatched. We're part of the Snatch Snack Squad. Anything motivational you like to say?
I lost 5 pounds. I ain't worked out in 2 weeks.
Okay.
I had some wings the other day.
All right.
Lost 5 pounds.
All right. Okay. Thank you, honey. We really appreciate your input. Okay, guys. So our last meal's gonna be at 7 p.m. and then my first meal's gonna be at 11 a.m. I keep saying hours like this is a group effort. You guys do not have to do intermittent fasting if you do not want to. I think it's something that you need to work yourself up to in the first place, so I would not tell you to do it if you don't want to do it. I think it does help because when you fast for 16 hours, sometimes I go 17. Like after 17, I'm not even hungry at this point. My body has eaten up everything in me, and it's just like, girl, do what you want to do. So I think it helps. But when you wake up, you do be really hungry. So as long as you can get through that period, you'll be good. So I said 7 to 11, but most of the time it's just 8 to 12 because sometimes when I get off of work and after I go to the gym and try to get home and eat, it's closer to 8 o'clock. So I'll do 8 o'clock, but I like to shoot for 7 because I prefer to be able to eat earlier, but it just depends. So either 7 to 11 or 8 to 12, but whatever you want to do is fine. So we're going to do 3 meals, Monday through Friday, because Saturday and Sunday are like kind of like my relaxed days. I don't intermittent fast on the weekends. But one thing I'm going to do this time around is I'm not going to like cheat on the weekends, because on the weekends sometimes I do kind of, you know, splurge, but I'm going to be super strict. So if I go out to eat, I'm just going to get something really healthy, like a salad or some wings. I love chicken, so yes, we'll do that. Anyways, let's stay to the script. This is not a script, this is a piece of paper that I wrote to help me stay on task. So yes, 3 meals, lunch, snack, and dinner. For lunch, when I'm going to work, so I normally just have a salad with some type of protein. So I'm actually going to do my meal prep today. I'm actually going grocery shopping today, so I'm going to meal prep, and that's going to be a separate video that I'll upload later in the week. Don't hold me to it because y'all know I'll be like, I'm going to upload, and I don't. So, but I really am going to record it, so it should be easy for me to upload. I do a salad with a protein, and then for snack, I found these cute little, they're not cute, they're like these chicken breasts in a can. So I do that with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and some, they're like some nuts. I think it's flat, I don't know, but it's like some type of nut, and I put it on there. It's so delicious, with some flaxseed crackers. They're homemade that I'm gonna make this today. Hopefully they come out good. If not, I'll just eat it by itself. And then I also do a green juice, which is just kale, spinach, 1 cup of kale, 1 cup of spinach, 1/4 cup of blueberry, and then 4 blueberries. Mix it all together. Put some MCT oil in if you want to. MCT oil will get your stomach running, so I suggest if you do that, just be prepared, because I was at work one day and I put too much, and that is all she wrote. Gonna leave that right there. Woo! Okay, and another snack option, if you really are like, Celeste girl, I'm not doing that, I don't have time. I like to do the cheese cubes with some either pepperonis or like just some turkey, and then some almonds. So I'll show you guys all these options, because I'm literally, after I finish this video, gonna go to the grocery store, buy all this stuff, and then actually record it. So if you're watching this, you should watch the next video when I upload it, because it's gonna have all this, and it's easier to see when it's like in picture form. So yes, and then dinner's real basic. We're just gonna have a protein with the vegetables. Most of the time for dinner, I don't even do a vegetable, but I just do a protein. But it's either gonna be a protein with a vegetable or eggs, bacon, and avocado, which is just a real basic dinner. Sounds like breakfast. I guess that is kind of breakfast. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to be really strict because I really want to reach my goals. I just want to look really good when I go on vacation, just feel really confident, and just be like, yes, I'm that girl walking the beach, strutting and slaying. So, you know, I'm really focused this time. So as far as the workout goes, I work out 6 weeks. I work out 6 times a week. Well, actually, technically, I do 7 times a week, but lately I've been really tired, so I think I need to like bring it back some, because your girl is old. I'm 25, and my body, it can't get up and go like it used to. So yes, I do boxing 6 times a week. That's not going to change, because boxing is just like very therapeutic for me, and I love going because one of my trainers, he's like super awesome and like keeps me motivated. So like that's like my midweek motivation to keep going. I'm like, girl, I cannot keep going. So yes, and then at night we do the like I said, I do the 50 arms. So I use the perfect push-up things. I do 50 of those. 50 ab exercises. You can do whatever you want, just make sure you do 50. And then 50 leg / glutes. So yes, actually I'll actually record one of those. It's really quick. It takes like 3 minutes to do the whole thing, but I'll record it. Y'all can't make fun of me because I'm not really good with arms. My arms are like super weak. But I'll record it just so y'all can see what I do. It's really short. Like at the most it takes 5 minutes, and you can do it in the morning or in the afternoon. I try to do it in the morning, but I be tired, so most of the time it's just the afternoon. But yes, that is that. So I'm really excited for this challenge, guys. Make sure you comment if you want to comment your starting weight. Y'all started doing that and I was like, wow, I didn't actually do that. If you want to do that, it's fine. Y'all already know me. I don't put my weight on YouTube only because I don't think it's positive. Not that I don't think my weight is positive. I don't think it's positive to compare, like, oh, this girl weighs this much and she's this height, and so if I lose this amount of weight, I should look like her. That's not how weight loss works at all. So I don't want people to compare themselves and feel negative, like, because somebody could literally weigh 200 pounds and be 5'8" and look super skinny, as opposed to somebody who weighs 200 pounds and is 5'8" and looks morbidly obese. It just depends on how your body stores fat. So I just don't want any negativity. I just want it to be positive light. And I'm only saying this because I do that myself. Sometimes, like in the keto groups that I follow, someone will be like, oh, I'm 5'8" and I weigh this much and I lost 10 pounds and I look this. I'm like, girl, we got the same stats, honey, and that's not how she's looking. So so I just want everybody to be down on themselves. But if you want to do that, if that helps you stay motivated, if that helps you stay committed, do whatever you need to do. Just make sure that you comment, leave it in the comments, whatever your goals are. I was going to put a number goal this time, but like I said, guys, I've been focusing more on my body fat percentages, and those have been going down. So I'm hoping, right now I'm at 41.9% body fat. If I can get that down to like 35%, I would be super excited. So that's like a real life goal I think I can achieve. As far as weight loss, I really want to lose 20 pounds, but I think that if I lose 20 pounds, I might lose my titties, my breasts, and everything. So I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully if I get to the 35% fat lossage, we'll see where we're at. But my goal is 20 pounds. It's not a hard set goal. It's just like a 20 pounds. But when we get to the 10 pound mark, actually 10 pounds, when we get to the 15 pound mark, we'll see where we're at. Hopefully we'll get there during this challenge this time and not fail like last time. But y'all did really good. And yes, that's all. I feel like I did really good, guys. I stayed on task. I didn't go off into tangents today. Yeah, so I was about to say in closing, like, you know, in school they're like, make sure you do your closing. So in closing, the 10-week challenge starts today. I'm super excited. It ends on the June the 2nd, and our last weigh-in is on June 9th. I'm going to be uploading on the 7th, which is a Sunday. I'm going to be doing all my uploads on the 7th, so I'll be doing my weigh-in. And oh, just this a disclaimer, I might have a lot of weight loss this week because this past weekend, y'all, I have been going in. I done had cake, donuts. I don't even like donuts. I had donuts. I had pizza. I just ate a lot of like unhealthy stuff. I was like, let me just go ahead and get it all out. So I went in this weekend. So I might have a lot of water weight. So if I have a large number, I'm saying all this stuff, and then what if I have like 0 point lossage? But if I have a large number, guys, don't be like, dang, she did so well. No, it's probably just water weight because she went in. I was getting all my unhealthiness out of me. So yes, we're excited. If you want to do your macros, it will probably help if you do keto. I think even if you don't do keto, you can do it. I don't know, but just see, like, you just put in your body weight, your height, and it calculates like what it thinks you should do. And yes, I'm super excited. A lot of y'all have birthdays in June, so Gemini gang, we in this thing. And Celeste Rhyme, I didn't even try to look at that. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week with our first weigh-in. Bye.